So we came to Hampshire to visit the lavender fields, and this place is called the Lavender Fields, and we're just gonna go around and have a look. We've just bought our tickets in the shop here, so there's ample of parking. You come in and buy your tickets. Kids get a free bug kit and a magnifying glass to check out the bugs, so that keeps them busy while you take pictures. So let's go. So there's a very nice man in the background. He's guiding everybody, but there are some blue arrows on the floor which you just follow to the fields, and they also have some wildflowers planted and some fruits and veg, so it's a very nice place to come to. Not a lot of influencer crowd comes here often, so it's not going to be, I'm hoping it's not going to be super busy. It's in an industrial area as well, so there are other things as well here. It's a nice walk. So here we are. The fields are very nearby, you don't have to walk a lot. So here we are, a 2-minute walk later. Quite nice long fields, there's hardly anybody there. You can take as many videos as you like. Towards the very end, and there's some wild flowers over there at the back. There's some more lavender fields, they say, at the back somewhere there, so we're gonna go there as well. So here we are, guys. They have some wildflowers here, some picnic benches, some more lavender here. Hi. And there's some behind that hedge, and we're gonna try and figure out where they are. So we're gonna walk now towards the end. What's happening with the bug kit, eh?
I only found 6 of them.
You found 6 of them? Oh, don't.
I found 6 of them. And I
Okay.
find more. Can I tell you what I really wanted to find? I found a butterfly somewhere
In here. We found a butterfly somewhere in here. These are so beautiful, and you can just smell the lavender. It's amazing. Oh, some poppies.
Did you comment down below which shoes you like?
This is not Instagram, so I am wearing my Toledo ballerina lace shoes by UN Footwear, and they are so comfortable.
I got a Maverick.
Yeah, and my little one is wearing her lovely shoes from UN Footwear Toledo.
And did you comment down below? Because I said, remember in the video, I said, mine is better. And I really like that.
Okay, she wants people to say that hers are better shoes than mine. But yeah, I think we like both. They're very comfortable, very nice.
And there was 3 types. 2 for Mom.
It's getting slightly busier now. So we got here around 11 and it was okay. So oh, we can see some more lavender bushes over there.
Yeah, and then we can go back and find the benches.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. But I wanted to come here to see some more bugs.
Yeah, we can find more bugs here, I think.
Oh,
these are more open. Oh, these are amazing. these are wonderful. Oh, they smell so good. They are a bit more mature though. They look yeah, but they look amazing. Ooh. Okay, there's a fly on my finger. Is this the one you're looking for on your bucket?
Yeah, fly. Oh,
look at that. That's amazing. So this is me creating content for Instagram and YouTube. Hey guys, okay, so we've had a look at the whole farm. There's some wildflowers at the back there as well, over here as well, and it's a lovely little farm. I think we'll come back next year definitely. These ones are a bit dry now, but it's a gorgeous place to be. Very nice, and it smells amazing. So that's where we are. Oh, you can see upside down. I'm gonna turn. Lavender fields in the heart of Hampshire. This is the last week, so I think next week they're gonna harvest the lavender, so you won't be able to come here, but usually all through August they will be there. I'm being told that because it's only because basically this year lavender bloomed really quickly, quicker than usual, so that's amazing. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.